Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 4. It is from the Chapter 2 Review Exercises in College Algebra by OpenStax. Okay, we have an equation and we need to solve for y in terms of x, and that will put the equation in slope-intercept form. In slope-intercept form is when we have y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. Okay, let's write down our equation. We have 2x minus 5y equals 7. So let's start by subtracting the 2x from both sides. Okay, so we'll put subtract 2x from both sides. Okay, the 2x minus 2x cancels itself out, so we've got minus 5y. I'm going to put the minus 2x, and then we have a plus 7. Okay, next we need to divide through by the minus 5. So let's write our equation. We've got minus 5y is minus 2x plus 7. We're going to divide each term by the minus 5. So divide by minus 5. Okay, now we can simplify. So we have y is minus 2 over minus 5. So that's going to make a plus 2 over 5x. And then we've got minus 7 over 5. And that is our equation in slope-intercept form. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I will see you in the next one.